Cion and James, and this is Daniel Stace. I'm doing a little about how to put this together. I plug it in there, and you can Logic Pro and simply with guitar. Okay. So basically, what we do with this, we put this, put these pins and put these pins into the holes right here, like so. There you go. Nice and nice. And then you hear the click. That's when you know it's right. And then you put this into here, and press this down. Yes, I'm right. Don't love your face. I'm right. Am I right? Yeah. Shut up, Thomas. And then this, and then that's on already. So it's calm. Okay. Yeah, and then put this on. You hear it already. See, that's working. Yeah, that's working. That's what's feedback. Okay, and then do this. Use the guitar, make it flat.
It's a guitar next.
Help me.
Basically, what you do is you put this pin in that hole over here. It's a very small, but just put it in. Just like put it in like that.
And then you put this stuff into here.
Into that. And then you press those two buttons. You press those two buttons.
And then record and monitor. And you can hear it now. See? And then you start Logic Pro. On the bottom of the Apple Vivo, you will see like an album kind of thing. It's Logic Pro here. Stop. When this comes up, so this album thing, that's Logic Pro. Create a new empty project. Right click OK. Now we do number maybe 2. Daniel, 2.
Yep. 2.
And then
audio. Go on audio. And then click ascending on input 1.
Input 1.
And then press record enable.
Record enable, see? Are you getting this? Yeah, create. Oh, save, what's your name?
Name.
Logic. Oh, I thought Logic wrong. For 1. Sorry. Okay. We're gonna record the microphone. So let's do this. Okay. Just up here. I'm gonna do some old fashioned beatboxes, right? Like you've never heard this before. Okay.
Yeah, go on audio 2 and unselect record.
Okay.
Yeah, and then it'll only be the microphone.
That doesn't make sense.
It'll only be the microphone that's
Record?
recording. Yeah, record.
Record. Don't record me, record that. Record. And then that's that one done. Do listen back on it.
Okay.
You listen back? See if it's alright?
Let's try it once.
Go back. No, go back. Go back. Play. That's that. Good. Yeah, I do.
Go to audio 2 and then select record
And you hear this guy do some guitar thing now, there you go, off you go. Let's start recording. Press record.
Not too loud.
Done. Good boy.
This is really not going well for you, is it, Kieran?
You have to
think it's
mention
good.
feedback.
Come
The
on.
feedback. I just said it. Feedback. What are you doing?
Mention feedback and how it becomes,
I'm
how you stop it from.
Mention the feedback.
Feedback.
As in explain it. Alright, I'll explain feedback. Feedback is basically when you have the mic and you can get something through the speakers that makes it really like a screeching noise.
That's what happened last time.
Basically, if you have this, if you have the mic too close to the speakers,
What's making it? Oh,
basically if you have the mic too close to the speakers, then it will create a screaming noise.
Yeah.
So I've heard like a banshee does.
like that.
Yeah.
I
So
think it does.
yeah, that's what it does, but I advise you not to do it because
You're
if
not even
you
getting
does,
space.
it can hurt your ears
There we go.
basically. And if you want to know about this mic, this is a dynamic mic,
Dynamic.
which has this
That means
symbol.
it gets the sound around front, basically. Where this area puts the circle. So
Yes,
it faces
like
the
my
sound
area here will get
and the
my
back of you.
mouth and some sounds around
Yeah.
me.
See, I listen sometimes.
Rarely.
And sometimes you can create like sounds that you don't want that are other places. So if we were in a place, we would place it over here. So it'd be like if you wanted to record two people, we put it like that. And say if another person was beside me,
You
just
put it in the middle.
put it in the middle, basically like that. Yeah, so there's another cable that you should have. It's a MIDI cable, an XLR cable, a RCA cable, and jack. These are very important because they can plug in MIDI like guitars, microphones, and MIDI control, which is what we just did a few minutes ago, which is when you set up the track. So if you like to go up over here quickly, so if I wanted to set up another track,
Damn, I got toothpaste in my trousers.
alright, so what you do first is if this happens, you just click, and this plus here, you just press it once. And we don't want the software instrument, we want the audio. So, and then you do the same thing if you was gonna have three instruments. If you was gonna have three instruments, only this can take two. This desk can only take two, but if you was gonna have three, you would have to do the same process over again. So, like we just did a few minutes ago, we plugged it in. So if you had an extra one, and you wanted to plug in another mic for the other person, you just do the same thing. You would turn it on, put in the cable, the holes in the spikes, and do the same process that you did with just the third instrument. And if it's a guitar, do the same process as we did last time, as we took it out of the
Doesn't need to do this.
took it out like that, but we're not going to do that.
We've done.
Yeah.
We've come to the last 5
That's
minutes.
it.
Yeah, that's basically it. But if you want to create another track, then
Oh my god.
yeah, that's alright.
Signing off.
Thank you for listening.
Signing off.
Signing
Goodbye.
off. I hope you found this useful. And if this failed, then